I'm Celeste.
Oh, I thought you were gonna tap the button.
Sorry.
Dang it. Celeste,
Not
nice
that
to meet
soon.
you. All right, so what's your deal?
I mean, like life-wise, currently I work as a substitute teacher.
That's crazy.
I do cosplay.
This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm a teacher at Franklin, and
Really?
I love going to Comic-Con and dressing
Really?
up.
Oh my
so-
god.
Fun fact about Xavier. He has an irrational fear of urinals.
Apps you just like fall into the urinal.
So
I don't
it's
know.
like a germaphobe kind of a thing.
No, it's just like you get pushed into a urinal, so your day is just ruined. That's
Do
hilarious.
you have good hygiene?
I put beard conditioner on today.
That counts, that counts.
Is hygiene important?
Yes. I have a very sensitive sense of smell. But
Let's put this to the test. Give him a good whiff.
Craziest
Go over
thing
to
I've
him.
ever heard.
do I have to? Where do you want me to smell you?
Smell my butt.
Yo, the way he was walking, I thought he was gonna grab her head like, how my cheese?
Wow.
That would be crazy.
He smells nice.
I think you two are really cute together.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Are you down for $1 margaritas? Are you unsure? Go for
Yeah. I'm sorry.
it. Back to the dating apps, everybody.
Ask her why.
No, I get it. No, like I thought that was a good
Yeah.
talk. But
I'd be interested in talking more.
I had a good time though.
It was really good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Celeste.
How you feeling? You look down.
I feel really bad because like I did like him a lot, but also I don't want to not leave my options open, I guess.
Yeah, it's all good, man. It's like the rest of your life. Carry on.
I might put what we watched, which I didn't see us watch, on the end of our video, just because all we did was sit there and laugh at the goofy stuff that they was talking about. But just to stay on point. So look, she goes out on these dates with these other people. She checks her options.
Want a second date with you?
I hope so. It sounded like happy hour was in the cards.
Evan.
Yeah.
Will you go ask Xavier if he would like to come back?
Of course. I'll do that. All right.
Guess we'll see what he says. Oh my god!
Look who we have here from the grave.
It was more fun talking with you than the other guys.
Appreciate that. I do have to hit the button though.
Yes! Yes! Yes, you do! Yes, you do! And I'll throw my phone out the window anyways. After we finish the video. Because we have to finish the video.
For real, he wants to see his option too, and I ain't mad at it.
Nope.
No. I think he just has some self-respect. I think he was down to leave with her at that moment.
I ain't mad at that. If that's what he says, then great to you, Xavier.
He came down, he sat down, he said, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have to press the button before the thing even
If
showed
you
up.
say that,
Yeah.
woo!
Yeah. Watch. Let me see.
I don't play second chances.
Yes! Go! Let's go! Last night was a fear last night. But a boy fears last night. Me go find me gal. So me say, me go and check the gal.
I think this is indicative of a lot of ladies. I think a lot of ladies get out there and they see a guy, they meet him in college, they like him and whatever, and they get along, or they have a friend that they know, and they go,
I want to keep my options open. I want to chat.
I want somebody that's gonna bust me wide open.
And I think you're going to be gentle. I don't want nobody to be gentle.
I want somebody to choke me.
Okay.
Word. Apparently that's a thing, bro. That's a thing nowadays, you know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, it was an I've Been Preach video from a while ago where they was talking about the choking thing, and they was like, yo, being choked, like that's not even anything that's extra anymore, because he was like, yo, so many girls be talking about wanting to be choked that it's normal. Wow. Bro, what the hell have y'all done?
Oh boy.
Like what? Oh. One of the OGs of the channel, Anita, did ask a question.
She said, is there anything that we should keep in today's dating market, or should we just throw it all away or something like that?
Yeah, but basically, is there anything that's actually good about the current dating market?
I was like,
Nope. Now, first we was stumped. We was like, no, throw it all away. This is trash. This is what y'all tell us is trash. We not dating no more. You don't know. We happy. We out of there. Yeah. One of the things that I think that a lot of guys would not be upset about is the fact that the women are not ashamed of sex anymore.
Yep. More loosey-goosey.
Because they still want a lady in the streets and the freak in the sheets. They still want the same thing.
Yes.
But they you know, I'm pretty sure enjoy the fact that the women are just a lot more sexually free, and it's not a thing where you got to spend how many years of your marriage trying to pry your woman out of her shell because she has been, you know, indoctrinated with the idea that sex is bad. Now they like, well, sex is good. The problem is they done took it out the box. Sex is good in the box. Y'all took it out the box and just said sex is good. No, sex is good when it's in the box. If it's not in the box, it start to cause all type of problems.
Drama.
We got videos dropping about some of the problems that causes.
This is true.
We got a video dropping about that.
Stay tuned.
Folk getting jacked up. Oh, it is so bad. And y'all really want to take that risk?
Subscribe.
Yes.
But yeah, I wanted to show y'all that because I feel like a lot of ladies would do what she do. You find somebody that y'all click it. Y'all right here. Y'all right, bro. Y'all right here, man. Y'all got similar interests. They even look like they would be married.
Yep.
Like I can see them.
They were both teachers, I think.
Yeah.
Same profession.
Yeah, same profession. They like doing some of the same hobbies. Their personalities seem like they clicked or whatever.
Yeah.
And the women goes,
I want to see my
we should have never gave you Negro social media. We should have never did it because this is what happened. You got fours walking around here thinking they got options. They gonna find something better. If she would have went out with any of the other guys that she went with on the bus, she would have just got bussed down and left. They wouldn't have had no interest in her.
Bruh.
If they had some Chad there, she'd be like, yeah, I want to go on today. He would have been like, all right, cool, fine, whatever. You know what I'm saying? He would have hit and then he would have split. As opposed to getting a dude that would have been like, you know what? I think I could give you forever. I think a lot of people are doing that now because they have access to the world.
The World Wide Web.
Everybody feels that they deserve better than even what they are, and people are delusional about what they really are. Man, you know you ain't no H.
Bruh.
Well, all y'all swear y'all 10s, apparently. Oh, hell no. Y'all shouldn't have never did that. That was a lie.
You tell lies.
Let me tell y'all, there is a rating system that guys, and we all tend to normally agree on all things. Now, I'm a weirdo. I was a part of that 2% of guys that like the BBWs.
Yep. That's right. I like my girls BBW.
But I understand everybody else, all them other guys, they don't care about being a part of that 2%. They be like, hey, hell to the now. No. Man, when we rating, I be like, she cute to me, but I know y'all gonna rate her. She got love handle. Y'all gonna rate her a 3.5.
Damn.
She's super cute in the face. I don't mind a little pudge. I would rate her a 6, but I know y'all rating her a 3.5. And they're like,
damn right, she a 3.5, man. No, she a 3. What you talking about?
Look, the cheating
I
thing.
forgot to tell y'all be cheating on us.
Y'all be cheating.
When you here watching and you ain't subscribed.
And we ain't giving up no draws, man. We married.
Yeah.
We married. We don't give up the draws, bro, without commitment. Yo,
okay?
If you ain't committing, we ain't giving up the draws.
Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be committed to us.
Exactly.
All right, so we know you're not out here in the streets.
Yeah.
You don't be for the streets.
We don't mess with people for the streets. We don't do it. A lot of times we find people who would fit that we should date, and we walk away from them being delusional. Delusionable. Lord have mercy. Being delusionable. I said it again.
We being delusional.
Being delusional about what it is that we deserve or what we can get. And people are overestimating their value, and they're also using a lot of the wrong stuff.
In the sexual marketplace, to be exact.
Yeah, y'all using a lot of the wrong stuff to figure out who you should or should not date.
Just don't do it.
Don't do it.
Just don't.
But I don't know. What did you think of what you saw?
I was just trying to figure out why, as soon as he said, I was trying to figure out if she didn't like the fact that he wanted to do dollar margaritas. Because she had a problem with the fact that,
Oh, you just want to do $1?
like, you know what I'm saying? Like, because I'm like, why did she buzz him out on that particular question?
I'm gonna be honest with you. Considering the dating market, y'all women don't understand. Considering the dating market,
Like-
y'all wouldn't get nothing but a dollar margarita from me if I was still in the dating market. Like the way that y'all moving, why would I? You would have to prove to me that you're worthy of me spending any money on you.
Yep.
Not in today's dating market. Hell no.
Hell no.
Yeah, I just couldn't understand why she did that, which made me feel like, I'm like, okay.
It did. She did make a face like,
Yeah, I'm
really?
just like, but listen, for guys, that helps you out because it helps you understand the type of woman that you might be potentially
Right,
dating with. Because
yeah.
I'm like, if you don't know this person from Adam and y'all
Right.
just getting to know each other, what's wrong with going to get dollar margaritas?
she feels entitled to more already.
And I'm just
which
like,
is a problem.
he don't know you, you don't know him. You guys are getting to know each other. Like, it's like me, it's like an equivalent to like maybe a coffee date. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Right.
you're just getting to know the person.
Yeah.
You're not gonna go out all out out and be all willy nilly. You don't know who this
No,
is.
women think that you're supposed to be spending bank like that.
Listen,
And
y'all need to
like,
stop looking at social media, stop looking at IG and all these different things, because that is not real life.
It's also not important.
Yeah.
Y'all making that way too important. When I'm measuring importance, I remember Kevin Samuels used to say,
I measure success of your relationship by marriages.
I'm measuring the importance of things by what characteristics make for a long-term relationship and what ones don't.
Yep.
Right.
If you clicking with somebody, that means so much more than a lot of the stuff that y'all place in first. Y'all would rather live in a big house with somebody who treats you like as opposed to living in a regular house with somebody who adores you. And it's backwards.
Yes.
You would rather have a woman with a big old booty.
She say I'm obsessed with thick women, and I agree.
Who is probably handing it off to somebody else as opposed to a woman who's a couple of clicks down on the looks thing, but who loves the hell out of you, and y'all get along like boom. Y'all used to watch Dawson's Creek. Everybody. I didn't mean this. I didn't. Okay.
That was my show.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right. Y'all not looking for y'all Joey. You feel me? Y'all not looking for the one that click with you. Y'all looking for somebody, because Joey ain't had nothing. She was skinny. She was skinny and long. She ain't had nothing. But y'all don't want Joey.
She was cute.
Y'all don't want Joey. Y'all the one that come on the show and be like,
Man, I want the girl with the big old...
and well, I think there was the other girl.
Jen.
Jen had a little bit of body.
Let us know if y'all was Dawson Creek's fan.
So Jen had a little bit of body and stuff, but she also had so much drama because of all of the stuff she went through in her life. Y'all would rather get the girl with all of the drama as opposed to getting the girl that ain't got nobody that you get along with famously. Like, you can legit marry her and it'll last forever. You gonna give it this girl and go through all the drama because she got body. Like, the stuff we're judging by and the stuff we're using to judge mates is totally backwards. It sucks because so many people in relationships are just gonna be falling apart, and nobody wants to admit it's because we're looking for the wrong stuff.
Yep.
Because everybody wants to be an Instagram story. It's more important for you to look good on Instagram than to have a great relationship at home. Bruh, let me tell you, especially when them kids come, you not having a great relationship, that's gonna wear on you.
Yes.
And then when they leave the house, you gonna end up getting divorced.
Don't make a mistake.
Don't do that. Just don't do it.
Just don't do it.
And also, don't pee in the urinal without urinal cake in it.
Yo, if you guys enjoyed today's show and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Rational fear of urinals.
It's not irrational. Every time I use a urinal, I think like other dude's steam is still around.
You smell it.
Yeah, you can feel the heat.
You smell it.
You can feel the heat.
There's fumes. And then you're going to pee in the and that's going to splash on you.
Oh, thank God for the companies that put that little rubbery thing that been suffering through all the piss. Like, imagine being reincarnated into one of them rubbery things. Hey man, that gotta be one of the worst experiences. Because not only are you immortal, which is a gift, but you're immortally gonna be getting peed on. To be discarded in the trash one day once you accumulate too much pee. That gotta be the worst isekai ever.
The plastic thing is not for the smell.
I thought it was to absorb the impact so it don't split splash everywhere.
I think it's for the smell.
I think it's for the impact.
Look at it.
It could be both.
Screens used in urinal helps prevent drain blockage as well as provide odor control. Has nothing to do with splish splashing.
Can't put splish splash. What's the word?
Yeah, do splish splash.
Stupid.
Put splash.
No, come on. What's the word?
Splash.
What's the word though? Anti-splash. Prevent foreign objects from falling into the urinal. Cause blockage. Preventing liquids from splashing. That can keep hygiene. Yes. It's the same one you looked up. It's the same one you looked up. Go pull it up. Go pull it up. It definitely stopped the splish splash.
You see, he getting mad over pee splash.
Anti-splash urinal screens.
Because that's what you entered.
Hold up, but that's what I'm saying. They do. They stop the splash. I know. Yo, you just trying to trigger me. It's work too. Don't try to gaslight me about my experience. Yes.
Getting mad over
100% they stop. One of the most annoying things about using urinals, especially when they got a little nah, it's annoying when I'm peeing and I'm getting my pee back. I didn't ask for it back. It's like giving a gift and then receiving crumbs back. It's like, no, I just gave you the cake. Why are you throwing crumbs at me?
Because they're gonna call us pee splash and preach.
Nah, bro.
Why are you getting excited over a pee splash?
Because you gaslighting me.
Yes.
And then you want a girl boss afterwards.
What?
What? Gaslight, girl boss.
Girl boss? What does the guy girl boss have to do? I don't know what that means. Tell me what the f that means.
You never heard of gaslight, girl boss, gatekeep?
No, pee splash, I haven't. Okay, that's 3 things, right?
Huh? What about gatekeeping? You know what gatekeeping is?
Yes, I understand what that is.
You do that too. Because you used to be a bouncer. Okay, let's carry on.
What's girl boss? You still haven't answered my question.
Hey, Preach. Hey, Preach is the quintessential girl boss. That's you.
No, that's you. That's not me. You a girl boss too.
Look at that little star. Like, yeah.
Because I don't understand what the
okay.
Girl boss is a community of ambitious women who are finding success on their terms.
On their own terms. Look at you with your little own YouTube channel, killing it.
You doing the same thing. You're the girl boss of this.
Told you, so I can't be a girl boss. Only you can.
Every time we say go bad, you go like this. That's you, nigga.
That's me trying to channel my inner.
You a bad. You a bad. And a P splash.
Thank you.
Look, that's the girl boss right there.
All right, like we're doing a women's ranking video. And you're like, no, you're such a bad. Never doubt yourself. Like, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with it.
You're the one that says that.
You can still be a masculine man and be a girl boss.
I don't even know if this is gonna make
You
the
can.
video.
That
makes no sense.
It's 2023. You can identify as what you want.
He's gaslighting.
And you're gatekeeping.
And you girl bossing.